Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Watch me create that look you just saw. So I was strolling through the streets of Instagram and I saw this and I wanted to create it on my face. I started out by outlining the ice cream in brown, paying attention to the details and trying to get it right. These are the colors I'm working with. So I first started with the orange, then the purple, and then the green. The colors are not poppy. Yeah, I know. We are going to use some shadow later, okay? Then for the cone is some light brown. So here is me bringing the colors to life with some eyeshadow. If you've watched up to this point, please comment green in the comment section. Okay, so after that, since the other eye is bare, I decided to just do random cut crease. Like our inspo peak, I have to make the ice cream drip. I didn't know what to do with this eye, to be honest, so I just decided to draw a wing there. And then I proceeded to outline the ice cream, the whole of it, in black. So here it is, all outlined, looking so good. Okay, so for the cone, I was torn between making it just stripes or a cross stripe. Why did I draw a straight line? Why? Stressing myself out. It's supposed to be slanty at least. Anyway, we move. I was still undecided about the cross stripes thingy. To be honest, I was afraid I would spoil this look, so I tried to leave it alone. So I took out my white liner pen, which I always misplace, by the way. Does anyone else misplace their white liner pen? It's so easily misplaced because I use it often. Anywho, here is the result after outlining everything I wanted to outline. I was happy. So I decided to do some nude lips because that was the best option for this look. And this is the result. I loved it. What do you think? Did you enjoy this voiceover? Let me know in the comment section so I can know whether to do more of it or to keep short. Thanks for watching. See you later.